How to install TypeScript compiler locally. As you can see in this picture or in this project, inside the package.json file, there is TypeScript installed locally as dev dependency. So how we can apply that for our starting point exercise code? You can find this start point in repository TypeScript on branch or in branch 1. Let's go there and start to install our TypeScript locally. Here we are, the start point in the branch 1, and as you can see, our project is totally empty and there is no any packages installed. So to install TypeScript locally, we will open the terminal and we will write this command npm install or I, and we will add --save -dev to add that to the section of dev dependencies, and the name of the package TypeScript. Install. Once we will install it, that will add node modules package and add our package to dev dependency section. That's it. Thank you for watching.